कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Uba Preston dan sang ubulong sumbut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubakmi ikatrat kampo ying ulaong baga sorkar kanum Ailad dan Lele M Garu National Liberation Army R regroup bakan Khlieh biang sa sisien pat namar bakatrat pulit bakitrat sentiat kilong ki bapet ngor baha ban pentikna bakan ka kinhun kabla le iki kam pentriem hakis namba menshwa harilum garo kan omdan lenti ban le biang sa sisien ki ni kam runar ki bapenchong siir min siem ki pat ba kerilum garo. Kani ka jingpen syah jong sumbut Menteri Ketanat Kampo Ying kelong hadin bakasyithi jong Garu National Liberation Army RI Group belasai ujora pantora sangma kumu chairman kelasa priang haka social media hakini ki kendiat sengi bat poiru syagi tendong skor jong sorkar jela.
Police forces is very much proactive and will make sure that regrouping does not happen. You are here to question me. Even me, myself, I question myself. Okay, because you don't know whether this news is true or false. But what I'm trying to tell you, 24/7, police forces are always ready and we are proactive to any such, be it the news or be it the intention of maybe few group of people or maybe some young boys who wanted maybe to have that luxury of having a new group or something. But we are alert, and then we will not at all sleep, and we'll make sure that such regrouping does not arrive. But let me assure you, as I said again, that regrouping will not at all happen, and we are not going to allow that. Okay?
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center